Embrace eco-friendly interiors, celebrating World Environment Day. As we celebrate World Environment Day, it's the perfect time to reflect on our lifestyles and the impact they have on our planet. One area where we can make a significant difference is in our homes. By adopting eco-friendly interior design practices, we can create spaces that not only inspire us but also contribute to a healthier environment. Let's explore some fantastic ideas to transform our homes into sustainable havens. Sustainable materials. When it comes to eco-friendly interiors, the choice of materials is crucial. Opt for sustainable options such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, cork, recycled materials, and even steel and stainless steel. While steel might not be the first material that comes to mind when thinking of eco-friendly options, it is, in fact, a highly sustainable and recyclable material that ensures durability, low maintenance, and a reduced environmental impact. Energy-efficient lighting. Lighting plays a vital role in setting the ambience of a room, but it can also consume significant energy. Switch to energy-efficient LED or CFL bulbs to reduce your energy consumption. Additionally, make the most of natural light by keeping curtains open during the day. Indoor plants. Plants act as natural air purifiers, removing toxins and releasing oxygen. Consider incorporating low-maintenance plants such as spider plants, snake plants, and peace lilies, which thrive in indoor environments. Water conservation. Install low-flow faucets, showerheads, and toilets to reduce water consumption. Collect rainwater for household uses like watering plants or cleaning, and invest in water-efficient appliances like dishwashers and washing machines. Being mindful of our water usage can make a significant impact on the environment. Upcycling and repurposing. Before rushing to buy new furniture or decor, consider upcycling and repurposing existing items. Use discarded materials like glass jars, wine bottles, or wooden pallets to create unique and sustainable home decor items. Relook at home decor. Take a fresh look at your home decor and explore creative ways to incorporate eco-friendly elements. Introduce eco-friendly wall coverings, such as wallpaper made from recycled paper or natural fibers. You can infuse your space with a unique blend of style and sustainability, creating an environment that nurtures both your personal taste and the planet. By embracing eco-friendly interior design, we can take a significant step towards a greener and more sustainable future. Let's celebrate World Environment Day by making a positive impact within the walls of our homes and beyond. Together, we can build a more sustainable world for generations to come.